to your first full day of being engaged.
Yeah. Welcome to yours. Good morning, Mama.
Animal Kingdom Day.
Animal Kingdom Day. That's where we're going. Yep. That's why I wore it. We are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, there we go. Ashley, how do you feel about the Tree of Life, baby?
I want to build a house in it.
Yeah. Get ready to cross over into Pandora, sweetheart. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Look where we are.
This is my favorite part, hands down.
Women right here. Alright guys, let's roll. being here with you. Yeah. This is the coolest thing. Like, this is so awesome.
Yeah, this is my favorite place. Nothing else.
We are inside the ACE laboratory on Flight of Passage. This is a really awesome part of the queue. This is where they're working on purifying the water in Pandora after the war. This is a mountain banshee skull.
You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Share, your mind will be able to control that avatar. And we're here in the Valley of Moara studying Banshees and their environment. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of Banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on Banshees too.
We just got off Flight of Passage and it was incredible.
Oh, it was amazing. Oh my goodness.
We missed the rain.
Right way.
Yeah, you're going right. You're good. Banshee time.
Yes.
Yeah, we can get our Banshees right now.
Hey.
That's awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. We are at the Banshee Rookery. Ashley and I got our Banshees, and I got a floating mountain mug, and we are both so hungry. Like, so incredibly hungry. Like, we are absolutely starving. But we're gonna go into Satu'li Canteen to get some food, And Dad's rolling out. I'm not sure if he's leaving or if he's just taking a picture. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, you gotta document this because my phone is out of commission.
Oh, I gotcha.
Wow.
Thank you, Ken.
Yep.
Thank you, Mom.
There you go.
Wow. We are on our way to Expedition Everest.